Hey everybody, this is a real quick video. In case you have Skullcandy Sesh ANC active Bluetooth earbuds and you need to do a hard reset to the factory default settings on them. You're going to want to do this reset for one of two reasons. The first one is troubleshooting in case these earbuds are not working for some reason, like they're not syncing or not pairing with Bluetooth, or they're not connecting to your device or they keep disconnecting, or you are only getting sound out of one ear, the left ear or the right ear, and you've tried resyncing and it didn't work. A factory reset will fix a lot of these issues. Now the second reason you might want to do this is just for whatever reason where you want to set them up on a new phone and you just want to delete all the pairing history and everything like that so that you can go ahead and set them up on a new device and not have them connect to the old device. All we need to do is, first of all, just go and turn the Bluetooth off on whatever phone that you've had it connected on so that they're not connected to anything. Then we're going to take them out of the case and make sure they're turned on. And once we do that, then we're going to come in and we're just going to press and hold simultaneously the button on back of both earbuds like this for 6 seconds. Just hold for 6 seconds. And keep an eye on these lights. So the earbuds will flash blue and then yellow 3 times. And then it'll make a tone that's indicating that the reset is successful. And then your earbuds will automatically go back into pairing mode. You can turn the Bluetooth back on your phone and go ahead and pair them as a new set of earbuds.